Let's learn some berry names. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have böğürtgen. Böğürtgen. Böğürtgen is blackberry or blackberry bush. Now, let's see some phrases and then sentences. Nice and simple phrases, yes. Yetişmiş böğürtgen, yetişmiş, ripe. There's another word for it. If you want to know the opposite, it's called kal. K-A-L. Kal böğürtgen, unripe blackberry. So, tikanlı böğürtgen kolu. Kol is a bush. Tikan is a thorn. Tikanlı, thorny. Tikanlı böğürtgen kolu. Thorny blackberry bush. Now, sentences. But did you notice I don't say böğürtgen? You will hear a lot of böğürtgen too. Both are fine in spoken language. Now, İsmayıllı meşələrində yığılan təbii böğürtgen meyvələrinin sağlamlıq üçün nə qədər faydalı olduğunu hamımız bilirik. Let's see what I'm saying here.